If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Sisu Sling, a Siah swag bags pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it has, this one I have done in webbing, but of course it can be done in vinyls or leathers, but it has a removable crossbody strap. On the back we have a generous zipper pocket. On the front we have a slip pocket that is concealed by this flap. Double zipper closure with a grab handle, and on the inside, for such a small bag, she has a lot of room. Look at that. This one we have a zipper pocket on the inside with a decorative overlay. This is such a cute and fun bag. It can be made in cottons, leathers, vinyls, canvases. It can be made in whatever your heart desires. This is also a great one for color blocking. So this one I've kind of done it in two colors, but you can see my main body is a glitter vinyl, and then I have a pearl vinyl here, but you could definitely have a print here and a solid. I don't know. The possibilities are endless for this. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bag Makers community, there is a tutorial on this. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.